Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at the latest airdrop that is going to launch soon. This airdrop, their TGE is already confirmed. They are going to list their token November 24th. So this project is going to end on 30th of October or 31st of October. So you have little time to accumulate as many points as you can. The name of this airdrop is Systematic Finance. So how are you going to register? Just locate the link in the video description and make sure you use my referral link, my referral code, so that you can earn welcome bonus. So right here, look at what they said: token generation event, that's their TGE, which is already announced. If you go to their S account and their Telegram, you're going to see their latest update concerning their TGE. And they say the SYSFI will be automatically converted to SY token at 1:1 ratio during the TGE. Keep earning to maximize your reward. So whatever thing you have here, that is what you are going to receive as your token. This SYN Spark will be converted to SYN token. So whatever thing you have here will be converted to 1:1. So make sure you are active. Whatever you have here is whatever you are going to receive. Make sure you are active. Do your daily tasks. If you go to the farm here, you have to do the daily one. You click on day 1. If you are on a street, the last day you are going to, which is on the 9th, you're going to receive 6.5 SYN Spark. So you claim your daily rewards. Now Spark 1, the next one, I have claimed this one. Next tomorrow I will come back here. Now they have also the task session. This task session, this is where you perform your task for the day. You like and retweet and get 3 Spark. You join their S account to get 3. You like and retweet. So it's very easy to do this task. All you have to do is to do it and accumulate more points. Then you can as well invite your friends and families. You can request your refer here. Copy your referral link, share it with your friends and families to earn more rewards. So basically, you have little time to be doing this. Just be active, claim your daily points, do the necessary tasks that you can do, and stay tuned for their next update, which is the TGE. I believe you got value from this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you guys.